Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review, quick recommendation over the DeWalt Max Fit right angle magnetic attachment. So this is basically an attachment that you can put on your drill, whether it's a cordless drill, electric drill, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't even have to be a DeWalt drill. Just put it on your drill, and basically it's a right angle attachment. So if you're screwing into something on the side here, tight reach compartments or whatnot, this is a great little thing to have. I got this a while ago for when I was working on the boat, getting underneath hatches and stuff. You just couldn't get the drill up under there. So I got this, and it was worth its weight. I've actually had two of them. This is just a backup that I had. Haven't opened it yet. Like a lot of things, you know, us guys, we'd like to have a bunch of them. So again, it's the DeWalt Max Fit right angle attachment. I highly suggest you get one of these and put it in your toolbox. You never know where you're going to need it. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.